Back now on Triad Today, and I wish I could tell you that we have a happy topic to talk about, but it's kind of not, but it's helpful to talk about it. Talking about separation that can lead to divorce, and we have an expert in that field. With me now is Jessica Young, attorney with Dummit, Fradin. Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Help me out first. How does a couple legally separate?
So when a couple chooses to legally separate, one of the parties needs to move out of the marital home, or they both need to move out of the marital home.
They both need to. Is that ever done, where you just nobody lives in it?
If they choose to.
Yeah.
But that'll matter during property division.
All right.
Later.
Now, do I need a legal document to show that I've been separated or that we are separating? I mean, does that need to be done? Do I need to sit down with an attorney and?
No, you don't have to have a document to prove that you're legally separated. However, it is in the best interest of the parties to get what is called a separation agreement.
Yeah, because I would imagine, that one person could say, yeah, we separated on March 1st, and the other one say, no, we didn't. I mean, at least you ought to have, see, I think we should get you to help us with this. Now, what could be included in a separation agreement? What kind of things could be included?
So a separation agreement would include the date of separation. So that would be official in the document, and then it could include anything from the parties' assets and their debts and any type of property they have. It can also cover alimony, child support, and child custody.
And that's legally binding?
Correct, yes.
Okay. Now, can I draft my own separation agreement?
You could, sure, but a lot of times there are several complex issues such as property division and child custody that would be covered in the separation agreement, and it can be very costly to have to go to court and try to fix any mistakes or any unclear parts of the separation agreement.
Yeah, I mean, I think folks, and I'm guilty of this too, you'll watch TV and you'll see these legal dramas and you say, hey, I could do that. I could just go in and represent myself like they do in that movie I saw the other night. See, folks, I'm telling you, you need someone like Jessica to help you out with these things. Now, how long here in North Carolina would somebody have to wait? Let's say the two parties, let's say they're not fighting too bad and they've got sort of a good separation agreement going. How long do they have to have been separated and have this separation agreement before they can officially be divorced?
You have to be separated for a year. So a year and a day after the date of separation, one party can file for divorce.
Now, we didn't rehearse this or anything, but I'm just curious because you mentioned things like alimony and child support. Do all those things need to be worked out ahead of time in a separation agreement, or can you just separate and then you start working on a divorce agreement, or how does that work?
Sure, you could separate, and then once the parties are separated, you could go back and forth negotiating a separation agreement that would cover property division and child support and alimony and child custody.
You have a tough job, and I just want to ask you a personal question. Again, we didn't rehearse this, so I'll put you on the spot to find out why you went into the legal profession, because I'm always curious when I meet somebody for the first time. Did you have a mother, a father, an aunt, an uncle who was an attorney, or did you just want to be an attorney ever since you came out of the crib at age 1, or what?
No, I'm the first attorney in my family, but I graduated from college and was a social worker for a couple years, and I really enjoyed helping families, and so I wanted to be able to continue helping families in a legal aspect.
And you do that so well. Now, where did you go to college?
James Madison University.
Great university. That's a great university. And you've been with Dummit Fradin for over a year now. Mm-hmm. And I just think it's great how you do help people, because these are not always pleasant things to go through, and they're certainly stressful, even if they're semi-pleasant. And we need folks like you to help us through it. I'm going to put something up on screen here, dummitfradin.com. Dummitfradin.com is the website. Or you can call and make an appointment if you want to get in touch with Jessica. You can call the main toll-free number, I think it's toll-free, 877-978-3218, and just ask for more information, and Jessica will help you out. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you.
Happy holiday.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.